In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CV using Canva in an easy and straightforward way. If you're gearing up for job applications, a polished CV can be your ticket to standing out from the competition, and Canva makes designing an eye-catching resume easier than ever. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring that you'll have a professional CV ready to impress potential employers. First, open your browser and head over to canva.com. Once there, you'll find a wide array of design options, but for our purpose, simply type CV into the search bar. Canva offers a wide range of templates tailored for different industries and styles, so exploring them can be both inspiring and insightful. This step will take you to a selection of pre-designed CV templates. When you see the available templates, take a moment to browse and select the one that best matches your personal taste and the professional tone you wish to convey. Consider the layout, font styles, and color schemes, as these elements can greatly influence the impression you make. It's okay to experiment with a few options until you find the one that feels just right for your professional goals. Once you have selected your favorite template, the next step is to click on Customize this template. This action will direct you to Canva's design editor. This is where you can begin to truly make the template your own. Canva's editor is user-friendly, offering drag and drop functionality and a variety of customization tools. Whether you want to modify the text, adjust the colors, or even change the images, everything is just a click away. With the template open and your imagination ready to go, it's time to start editing the CV to suit your personal brand. You can click on any text box to replace the placeholder content with your information, such as your name, contact details, education, and work experience. Remember to highlight achievements and skills that are most relevant to the position you're applying for. Canva also allows you to change the fonts and color themes, so feel free to get creative while keeping in mind the professional image you want to project. Lastly, take a moment to review your CV. This final step is crucial to ensure there are no typos or formatting issues. A clear and error-free CV reflects attention to detail and professionalism. Once satisfied with your masterpiece, you can download your CV in a format that best suits your needs, such as PDF or image files. And there you have it, a personalized professional CV crafted effortlessly in Canva. Whether you're applying for your dream job or updating your portfolio, a well-designed CV can make a significant difference. Thanks for tuning in, and may your new CV open the door to exciting opportunities.